Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this 15-piece Coldwood Router Bit Set. I opened it up. The bits feel really nice, so I just wanted to share it with you and show you. Then I'm actually going to do a quick test and just see how well they cut. So again, first thing I wanted to say, I guess, that they come with this sleeve, or in that sleeve, in this wooden box. And then I really love how they have the, I guess, how they have them displayed in here, because I've got other ones that they kind of are in a similar type piece of wood or stand, whatever, but they just kind of lay down flat. I love that these ones angle up so you can see them very easily when you open the box. And I also love the very clear depictions for all of the different shapes in there. Again, the other ones that I've looked at, they don't have very clear depictions, but I love these, so I know exactly what I'm going to be cutting before I take it out. So this one that I'm getting ready to show you is called the Roman. It has a really cool shape, so yes, let me show you real quick. So there it is, guys. You can see it cut really nice and evenly. I'm really happy with the look of that. That would make a really nice like top of a bookshelf or something. So really happy with it. Definitely recommend the set.